Hello everyone!
Ciao, ciao dear Sicily lovers! Greetings from Sicily, from one of my favorite towns here in Sicily, Ortigia,
Yes.
the beautiful white town, the historical center of Syracuse.
This is the oldest district, the oldest part of Syracuse. We are in the east of Sicily, and this is one of our favorite home bases. As always, during our tours of Sicily, we used to stay here. Now we are with the Sicily Lovers, so we are following in person our beautiful group of 20 Americans. This time we have 18 Americans and 2 beautiful English ladies. And as always, this is the day 8, the 8th day of the tour. We are enjoying a beautiful walking tour of Ortigia. Now our clients are enjoying a special stop in a special location, a special cafe, right in front of the Cathedral of Syracuse, of Ortigia. I would like to show you the beauty of this square. This is considered one of the most elegant, charming squares in Italy. Let's see, Rosella.
Amonini.
So this is so charming, and our friends, the Sicily Lovers, are enjoying something special.
A food tasting, a food stop.
As always.
A tasty. For
We
those
are-
who don't know, the Sicily Lovers Tour is our small group tour of Sicily. And let's see, oh, I can see my beautiful Sicily lovers here. How are you doing? How are you?
Doing good.
Let's start from Ray.
How you doing?
So refreshing.
Buongiorno.
You are
How
having
are you doing?
granita with brioche, right?
Beautiful. One, it's delicious
So delicious.
and unbelievable.
What about your tour of Sicily?
It's been outstanding. Beyond our expectations.
The best ever.
Yeah.
Which is your favorite experience
So far.
so far?
The Fiat 500 car race in Modica, which we were part of.
Of course.
For me, the sausage party in Kokomo.
Sure, because you are
My
from
town.
Kokomo. Yes. We are paisani, we are cacamesi.
Yes. Proud Cacamesi.
Thank you. Enjoy your granita.
Grazie.
And here we have the Marzullos, another beautiful couple.
My mother grew up in Cuisine.
Would you like to tell something to your friends that
yeah.
are watching you?
Oh, absolutely. This every day is better than the next. I can't imagine what it's going to be by the time we end. The food is so great. I'm happy to begin with. I'm going to be even a little heavier when I leave. This is very nice.
Tell our
You deserve
friends.
a kiss. Mwah.
Tell our friends that you are expecting to meet Mick Jagger.
Oh yeah, I put on the shirt. I heard he was here.
Mick Jagger
I
is
don't know
here
if
in
he's looking for
Syracuse
me.
right now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Anne, how are you feeling?
Everything is fabulous, and my favorite, I can't really say what my favorite is because everything was fabulous, but the beach at Cefalù, the water was unbelievable.
The White Lotus
Oh yes.
beach. White Lotus was filmed there in Cefalù. The beach is not in Taormina, is in Cefalù. For you, the best experience?
Oh, my best. The beach was good. The pizza is good,
And the sausage.
and the sausage.
Salsiccia, the sausage.
Making fresh sausage
Sausage.
and eating it. It was great.
Thanks,
you.
Dominic. Thanks.
Here we have my friends Pedanias. What about you? Tell something to your friends. What about this tour, these experiences?
To our friends, first of all, Janka and Rosella are the best tour guides we ever had. They know how to set up a tour.
Thank you.
We've been here, we've been to Italy in the past, and it doesn't compare to what they have done for this group. We have a great group of people that we're with, starting with the beginning of the tour, the food, the entertainment that she's given us, the tour guides that in each city we go to that they have set up. It's just great. It's lovely. The weather's been great. Everything's just going in a great direction. We just love it. We really love them, and we really love their tour. You have to take it. It's one of the best.
Thanks, Anthony. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
And you?
My best part was the Fiat. I loved it. But we love you, Janka and Rosella, and everything's been so beautiful.
Thanks, Debbie.
Absolutely. So happy.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. More granita
we
are
have
coming.
We have mulberry granita, almonds, pistachio, Chelsea.
Mulberries.
Then order.
So it's time to listen
Here we
to
have another beautiful couple.
yeah,
Certos.
the Certos.
What about you?
This has been an extraordinary trip, way more than I could ever have imagined, and I loved being in the Fiat. It was wonderful. It was wonderful. The food's been wonderful. But it's you two that make the trip. You two make the trip. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Every day you think it can't get better until the next day and you realize it can. It did.
It did get better every day.
It's just magnificent. When we made a new familia, so
Yes, this is important.
That's important.
I'm very proud of you because you are a beautiful family of Sicily lovers. You became friends.
You are.
Absolutely.
They became family very soon.
Very soon.
Very
For the
soon.
first night.
And
From
we are
plane.
very happy.
Yeah.
Very proud of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So it's time to see something or someone familiar.
Yes,
They
in
are-
our community of Sicily lovers, everybody knows the San Filippos.
Celebrating our second tour, having a great time. I didn't think it could be any better than the first, but the second's even better.
Let's clarify. Sorry, Dan. Let's clarify. You came here in 2021. It was a private tour.
Private tour.
And this time you decided to follow, to
back.
join a group tour.
Group tour to celebrate my daughter's.
Happy birthday!
Happy
Best way
birthday!
to celebrate my birthday.
Happy birthday! Again. And what about your experiences? The best experiences?
Oh, it's hard to choose. They've all been great experiences. It's hard to choose.
Your top?
My top? Ooh, going to the Villa Franca. Francavilla.
The special dinner Palazzo Francavilla.
Yes, that was unique and beautiful to see a beautiful palazzo in the middle of Palermo. I want to tell my friend Julie at home. She wants to book a trip. She needs to do it.
We wait for you. Then say hello to all your friends.
To say hello to all my cousins who are coming next year, and the ones that don't show up, I'm sorry you missed out. They need to come. It's fantastic here.
What about your best experience? I have no doubt.
Oh, this trip by far is so good. It's hard to pick out one thing that is better than the other, but every day it gets better than the day before.
But I know that your best experiences.
It's still coming. It's still coming.
And also the sausage, I know.
Oh my God.
Would you like to say something about your accommodations so far?
Oh, they're beautiful. Our room, we have a corner room. Can't believe how big it is. It's wonderful. It really is wonderful. Having a good time.
Thanks a lot,
Having a
guys.
good time.
Thank you.
So
And here we have
Rounds.
I know, but San Filippo's Junior, right?
Yes.
So, what about you?
I love the sausage making. That was really fun. Yeah. It's a fun group. It's nice to be with a bunch of people from here. It's really special.
What's your favorite location so far?
Probably Cefalù.
Cefalù, yes.
The
I agree
beach.
with you.
Yeah.
So do I.
Yeah.
It's one of the best. Not only in Sicily, maybe in the world. For you, Andy, say something.
Well, I'd first off like to say that if you're considering coming, do. Both Gianca and Rosella deeply, genuinely care about your experience, and they're on top of everything, and they want to make sure that you have the best time possible, and you can definitely feel it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, Rosella, let's switch.
Yes, let's switch.
Let's switch.
Now we have here another beautiful couples, the Bulones.
Grazie, grazie.
Would you like to say something to your friends that are watching you?
You want to go first?
Yes, to all our friends back home in Jersey, Staten Island. This is you cannot miss this. This is the best tour, and everyone is so connected, and it's great to see Dom's roots, where he came from, where our grandparents came from. Gianca and Rosella are fabulous. What you see on Facebook, Instagram is genuine, and from the minute we met them here, it's just been remarkable, and the hotels have been fabulous. The food is endless, as we're eating again, and the sights are magnificent, and if you come here, you're not going to be sorry, and I hope our children will come here and experience where their dad came from.
We wait for them.
Yeah.
Thanks, Nancy.
You're welcome.
Thanks a lot. It's time to listen to Dominic. Dominic, would you like to say something in Sicilian, because you're prof Sicilian?
Sì, ma prima in inglese.
Yes.
Voglio dire, I want to say, this has been an unbelievable experience. From the first day that Nancy showed me on TV, YouTube, you were so genuine, so honest, so caring. That's what won me over. And when I met you in person, you just confirmed what my feeling was.
Thanks, Dominic.
That was
thanks.
really good. Adesso voglio dire che questa 11 giorni è una celebrazione che mai mi potevo immaginare. Ogni giorno è diventato meglio del giorno prima.
Yes.
Te lo giuro.
Thanks.
Don't worry.
Thanks.
You're touched. I know.
No.
Which is your best experiences? Best experience.
L'esperienza che siamo...
In English.
Oh, the best experience is the experience that I'm doing right now. Because every day has been that wonderful.
Thank you.
So it's hard to pick one thing. I think at the end of this tour, the whole thing will be the best experience.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
You know, we are happy if you are happy. So that's our mission.
One more thing.
Yeah?
This group here
is beautiful.
You're
all beautiful
we all
people.
Gelled from the first day. It was great. It was
You are all beautiful people. You are like
absolutely
family.
Great.
Fun,
Yeah.
so much laughing and joking around. It's excellent.
Really
excellent.
great.
We have a blast.
And to our friends back
Truly
home,
best.
you've got to do this.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's turn of the comitos now. Thank you.
Comitos! Look at these.
Famous all over the world.
So, John,
yes.
Don't be shy. I know you are not shy at all.
Yeah, that's a problem.
What did you enjoy the most so far?
I know everyone else has expressed this, but I really, there's no one day that stands out. For us, one of the big highlights is because I'd done research on my family and found out where they came from, Sicily. And it was my great, however many greats back. grandfather in Mary, and so I was looking for a place that we could see where they were from, and just doing a search on the web and found Sicily Lovers, and they had a little genealogy section, and so they found out where we were and set us up with the mayor, and that was a very wonderful experience. The mayor came out; he was very welcoming. The guide that we had, she very knowledgeable. The driver also, in fact, he was from Mary, and gave us a lot of information there. And then met some comitos. Sorry, comitos. I have that. Anyway, yeah, we say it wrong in America. Anyway, the accent's on the wrong syllable. But in any case, we've had a great time. I think everywhere that we've gone, everything has been beyond expectations. Not that I came with any, but it was really has been great. Really great.
Thanks a lot. I think you deserve a whole. Everything happened is not by chance,
right?
And you deserve everything.
Linda, what about your best experience?
Every minute gets better and better.
Thank you. It's hard for us to let the top, the top list.
Now we have to maintain the expectation.
Yes,
every day has to be better than the previous one.
Absolutely, it's just wonderful.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you.
I just want to add something. Yeah. It's been really great to be at this group because
you became family.
Yes.
From the first time.
You know, because we're
because you are all Sicilians,
right? And so much of that was not there, and left with my grandmother.
Yeah.
And so this really, I can't say.
You would like to make me cry as well? Okay, we can start together. Okay.
Thanks a lot, John.
Yeah, I'm a joker, but I cry too.
Thanks
I didn't expect from you. You look so strong.
He has
if this gets out, it ruins my reputation.
You have a bad reputation.
Let me put the glasses back on.
Yes, keep your bad reputation,
Yes.
okay?
Thanks a lot.
Thanks. This is very touching also for us.
Bravo! Give up for John. Rosella, you have to make
We have two beautiful ladies. Everybody are happy with these two beautiful ladies. They are very, very funny.
They are special.
Yes, special name.
First of all, because they are from the UK. Say something, Christine, Caroline, please. What did you like the most so far? What did you enjoy?
Everybody's said everything so far, but thank you for accepting we two Brits into this group. We feel really comfortable with you all.
Yeah.
And with Rosella and Janka doing everything you could possibly wish for. There are no grounds for any complaints, and everywhere we've been to has been beautiful. I will be back in Sicily. Yeah.
And we will wait for you.
We will be in touch with you again. Highly recommend this.
Please bring with you more beautiful English ladies.
More Brits.
We need it. I need it.
Oh, okay. We'll do it for you.
Caroline.
Thank you.
I'd like to say thank you to everybody for accepting us. I know it took you a couple of days, but you're amazing, all of you. Now you've got used to us, you know, we say the loo instead of the bathroom, and, you know. And we might slip off for the odd drink when you go for a lay down, but, you know, we're still here. And I'm always late for breakfast, I do apologise. But apart from that, it's been fantastic. The food, the service, the friendliness, the way you've organised every single tour has been 10 out of 10.
Thank you.
What you do and the effort you put into your business is unbelievable.
Thank you.
And we appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Why we love you. And last but not least, the Sclafanis. What about you?
Well,
everybody have said so many beautiful things, and I agree with all of them. It has, for me, like every day is like an explosion of emotions, of everything from good to best, and keep going. What's the best experience? Well, at this moment, I don't. Maybe the cattle race yesterday was great. I mean, it was a lot of fun, especially seeing the girls on top of the car and saying hello. That was fun. A lot of fun. The food has been tremendously great. The view from the hotel today was breathtaking, actually. It was just beautiful.
Thank you. Say hello to Adriana, your daughter.
Oh my goodness. Hi, Adriana.
Thanks, Vivian.
And it's not true that they are
Good boys.
Good boys. Keep the secret.
Keep the secret. They have a secret life.
Very hard.
You have a secret life.
I'm just kidding.
Peter.
What about you?
I've been looking for months for the cathedral at Monreal, for months. And it actually exceeded my expectations.
It's like a roller coaster.
Most of my life is in the art field, and I have never, ever seen a cathedral like this. I went into the cathedral, and I had the hairs on my arms stick up. But it's just astounding. And the guide, she is unbelievable.
Yeah.
She described the mosaics and the complete history of Christ all along the whole thing. It's unbelievable.
She describes the entire Holy Bible.
Tell me about it. But she's fantastic.
She's an encyclopedia.
Yeah.
And we really have to thank both of you. We've been on 4 or 5 tours in Europe, and this exceeds 1,000 times over. You guys are great.
Thank you.
Thanks.
I want to add a little something.
Is it a good thing?
Yes, it
Okay,
is.
you can.
Yes, it is. The meal that we had in the chef house.
Oh, yes.
With the mother cooking.
Vito's house in Erice.
Yeah, the cooking.
Yes.
Yeah, in Erice. That's, that would say that the experience that we have they're like a family experiences.
Yes.
Every one of them, it's not, you can go to any tour and they can show you this and that, but you guys try to keep us, give us the family experience in every along the way.
Yes.
And that I would say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing us. We always try to combine the most beautiful locations with the most authentic experiences. And Vito's house, the sausage experience in Caccamo are something special. They are priceless.
Yeah, and this tour is like it's a combination of Sicilian culture, to be exposed to Sicilian culture and food experiences.
It's a foodie.
Well said.
Well done. All together.
Let's introduce now to Fausto, our
wonderful guide here in Ortigia.
Fausto.
Say hello to our friends.
Yes, I'm very happy to meet you, to meet this amazing group. And I'm very excited to guide them around for Syracuse and to discover the highlights of Ortigia and, in a few minutes, the amazing cathedral.
Yeah.
So maybe now it's time to say goodbye all together?
Maybe Dominic wants to say something. Dominic.
Say the most important thing.
I forgot to say the most important thing. They went out of their way to stop at my father's hometown. Rosella got in touch with my cousin, who met us at the bus and was able to take me to my father's home. So they went out of their way. They did above and beyond.
And it was unexpected because it was not included in the itinerary, but we passed through Licata.
It was absolutely fantastic.
The hometown of your ancestors.
Yes, absolutely. I met my cousin who I never met. And it was
that's priceless.
And
that's beautiful.
Rosella and Janka, I can't thank them enough.
Thank you, Dominic.
Thank you.
And give up for you now.
You are
Beautiful
beautiful.
family of Sicily lovers.
And now all together.
Caroline?
love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!
Would you say something with me?
Yes.
Thank you. So, Rosella, I think they are very happy.
Yes, I think so. If you would like to join one of our tours, you can visit our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com, and choose if you want to join our Sicily Lovers Tour. It's a small group tour, or if you want us to help you plan a custom private tour of Sicily, according to your needs and passion, and we will wait for you to let you enjoy Sicily to the fullest in the most relaxing way possible, and to let you feel Sicilian, to breathe and live like a Sicilian.
Oh, look at the beauty behind you, Rosella. That's special. It's one of my favorite places in the world, not only in Sicily. You are surrounded by beauty. That's crazy.
bestthingstodoinsicily.com. Ciao, dear Sicily lovers.
Aspetta, io pure. I want to be in the frame to say, I love you.
We look forward to taking care of you.
Ciao. Ciao.